Hey everybody, it's Seth Jones, editor-in-chief of Golfdom Magazine. I'm doing a 19th hole interview. Today I'm being joined by Jared Brewster. He's the superintendent out at Rolling Hills Country Club in Newburgh, Indiana. Hey Jared, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Doing good. Good to see you. All right, let's talk about what's your favorite tool in the shop? What do you like to use to get the job done?
Yeah. So this was a tough one for me. We've had the question about it being the cart, but in the shop, really, my favorite in the shop is I love the cup cutter. And yes, there's different versions of the cup cutter. I'm not going to tell you which one I have, but the cup cutter in general in the game of golf plays a huge role on the member experience and what goes on out on as far as playability of the golf course. It's by far my favorite thing to do. Whether whether the members like that or not, there's a difference when Jared gets behind the cup cutter and a normal guy. But I very much enjoy presenting the golf course each day with a new hole, whether it's every day or every other day. But taking some gratitude to know that I gave them the best I could each day.
Okay, great. And then this question, my question is like, what's one thing, and it doesn't have to be golf maintenance related. It could be whatever. But what's one tool? What's one thing that you bought over the years that you think is just really paid for itself and then some? Like that you go back and look at it now, and you've used it so much, you've gotten so much out of it that it was like it was less than free. It's paying you back.
Sure. Well, I mean, each club, being at multiple clubs, it's the same tool that I've gone to so far, and we're always, as superintendents, we're always asked to change, or we're always asked to evolve. But right now, I mean, guys say this: it's a revolving door. It's the moisture meter, the evolution of the moisture meter on a golf course, the ability to sleep well at night, to have a baseline for what we do. I remember a time at Augusta, Georgia. This is before the tee yard was really used. I'm out watering the par three greens in the middle of summer, and no, much water as you could. Really, luckily at that time we didn't have play, but just a great but terrifying experience to be in charge of 18 small greens, or I'm sorry, 9 small greens, and the heat of the summer. So be a part of the Midwest, it's established a baseline for myself, my assistants, and just the club in general that can ask questions about things and educate members, and how we do things. It's been a tool that's succeeded all the other tools out there, I would say.